You make over 35,000 choices a day, and it is literally draining the physical energy right out of your brain.
The 35,000 choices. You make over 35,000 choices a day, and it is literally draining the physical energy right out of your brain. Have you ever wondered why, by 5 p.m., doing anything productive feels impossible? You are not lazy. What you're experiencing is a biological phenomenon. As a podcaster, I hear this struggle constantly. People start their mornings with ambition, only to collapse on the couch after work. The hidden culprit? It is called decision fatigue, and it is silently sabotaging your true potential. The micro-decision drain. Every time you make a choice, you add to your cognitive load. What shirt should I wear? Should I reply to this email now? What is for lunch? Each micro-decision acts like an app left open in the background of your phone. You might not realize they are running, but they are draining your battery. Your brain treats the decision of what to eat with the same mechanism as a complex work project. By noon, your cognitive capacity becomes completely overloaded. Biology of decision fatigue. Let us look at the biology of decision fatigue. Your brain requires massive amounts of glucose to function, especially the prefrontal cortex, which handles complex choices. Every time you weigh options, you burn through this glucose. It is a finite resource. As the day progresses, this energy plummets. Your brain, trying to protect itself from total depletion, starts looking for shortcuts. It acts impulsively or avoids action altogether, which is why you reach for junk food or refuse to make any more decisions. The 5 p.m. tipping point. This biological drain is why 5 p.m. is the tipping point. Your willpower is not a personality trait. It is a finite battery depleted by conscious choices. By the time you leave work, that battery is empty. You cannot force yourself to go to the gym or work on a side hustle because the mechanism required is physically out of fuel. The goal is no longer to force discipline when tired. The goal is to protect your mental energy from the moment you wake up. Automate the mundane. To overcome this, you must automate your life. Step 1 is automating the mundane. The most successful people often wear the exact same outfit daily and eat the same meals. They do this not because they lack style, but because they ruthlessly protect their brain's glucose levels. By removing the need to decide what to wear or eat, they save precious cognitive energy for decisions that actually matter. You must build systems that eliminate trivial choices from your morning routine entirely. Batch processing. Step 2 is batch processing your tasks. Every time you switch attention from one task to another, your brain pays a switching cost, burning even more glucose. Instead of answering emails randomly while writing a report, you must group similar tasks, dedicate specific blocks of time strictly for communication, and separate blocks for deep, focused work. When you batch process, you streamline your cognitive flow. Your brain enters a rhythm, reducing friction and drastically minimizing the energy required to navigate your day. The one big thing. Step 3 is the one big thing rule. Since your willpower and brain glucose are at their absolute peak in the morning, you must schedule your highest impact task first thing in the day. Do not waste your peak cognitive state on low-value activities, like scrolling social media. Tackle the project that moves the needle on your goals while your battery is full. By front-loading your day with your hardest task, you ensure success regardless of how depleted you feel later. Reclaiming your evening. When you automate the mundane batch process workflows and tackle your biggest tasks early, something magical happens. 5 p.m. arrives, and you realize you still have energy left in the tank. You have reclaimed your evenings. You can finally start that business or be present with your family without feeling drained. Stop trying to fight your biology with sheer willpower. Protect your cognitive load. Manage your micro-decisions and watch how quickly you transform your productivity. The power is in your choices. The inspirations are yours. Subscribe, like, and watch all the video in this channel.